Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, we saw little lower opening for our markets from the levels of almost 24,850. The Nifty went back to the levels of 24,750, but from there all the way it recovered back and closed above the closing of the previous day. So while looking at the setup of the market, we are of the view that the markets are into pullback mode, which actually we were expecting yesterday. And now we are very close to again 25,000 levels where the market has spent some time when it was falling from the highs. So between 25,000, 25,050, we should look for reducing long positions. I am of the view that around those levels again profit taking should emerge, and in case then the market fails to sustain around those levels, then again the Nifty can come back to the levels of 24,750, which was its immediate previous lowest level. Breaking 24,750 will be negative for the market, as in that case the Nifty can again fall back to the levels of 24,500 or 24,250. So based on the technical setup, we should look for reducing long positions above or up between 25,000 25,050 levels. Asian markets are doing well. US markets recovered sharply from lows. Actually, they were down heavily, and because of that we saw a very smart pullback or bounce back from lower levels. However, we need to see that whether they sustain at higher levels or not. So it is advisable to take some profit close to resistance level. And for the Bank Nifty, in fact, Bank Nifty did much better than the expectations. The bounce back was again much sharper than the expectations. Most of the banks recovered from their lows, day lows, and technical formation is suggesting us that close to 51,000 and 51,500 the Bank Nifty is having resistance zone. Above 51,500 only we can expect short covering, otherwise it is going to remain in a range. And above 51,500 we could see the levels of 52,000 or even 52,500. So 51,500 is going to act as major resistance for the Bank Nifty, which is corresponding to the resistance level of 25,050 on Nifty. Support exists at 50,900, and below that again the chances of hitting 50,500 would turn bright. For other indices, again there is no point in going deep into details. Yes, FMCG stocks are doing well. There we are seeing broad-based activity, I mean to say sector-based activity, and furthermore activity is more likely because uncertainty is increasing in the market on a day-to-day basis. Global macros are at an unchanged level, so there is no point in going much into details for global macros. But yes, we need to keep a close watch on the crude prices, as they should not break the level of 70. Otherwise, we could see furthermore profit taking in the equity markets. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening us, and have a great day to all of you.